It is very sad to see our parliament being turned into a preposterous puppet show, being turned into a circus. Parliament ya Mampuru, Kgosi Mampuru prison. When they get there, you see that they worship this guy. Hot man, trying to act street smart. You know, at first I said Breitenberg and that lady were colored, I think were Action SA. I said they are prejudiced, they are biased towards Ket Matlala. But looking at the conduct of these other members, drugs are still going to be distributed. We are still going to be hijacked. Because when the government is supposed to take decisive action against the criminals, no, hero worship by the criminals to waste the taxpayers' money. Julius now putting the blame on police on how they should have conducted the arrest, how they should have apprehended Ket Matlala. Yeah, is a question. This person has employed former special forces, the military, former STF special task force, the Maponis, paying them 100,000 a month. How do you expect the police to apprehend this criminal? No, they should have not conducted the arrest in a certain way. I know the commission are leading this. Let these things go to court to be tested in a court of law. Because now it's this one coming back to claim or no, it's not me, I gave Peggy Kele this, I gave this one this. This is wasting our time, man. I get them for what? Let me arrest these people so that in dear court, if they are corrupt, let there be that process instead of being a fashion show. In other countries, we were not going to see a fashion show. They were going to be executed. You deal in drugs in Singapore, China, the countries of the Jwalo, you get executed. Mona, it doesn't happen like that. Because they still have the privilege of reserving the name story. No, I don't know who are this company who is behind it. And the very same company is involved in corruption. Then what are we doing? These things are wasting our time, man. Hot man. Hey, this one, we like him. He is Psychology 101. Psychology is a foot, man. This is our lives. We are still going to be, kids are going to be raped. We're going to be hijacked. Drugs are going to be distributed. Because when we're supposed to this country is so good, man. We're expecting these guys. Body podcasting, basketball, no crime, not basketball embrace the life of crime. When all this is happening, when the heroes are gonna visit to Antong for gossip, the parliamentarians, I can't.
Everyone, welcome to Ulwazini Zindaba. So guys, lamalanga lamabili lakhona uKet Matlala was giving his testimony before the ad hoc committee was a total waste of taxpayers' money and a waste of state resources nje. Ngoba uKet Matlala throughout his testimony he made sure ukuthi misdirector the committee and did everything within his powers to protect the likes of Bosenzo Mchunu Nabosibi. And from the look of things, it really seemed as though the exercise the members of the ad hoc committee was a time waste and it did not have any sort of impact.
Amasela awatreatwa ngendlela efanayo wonke. Angithi akekho segwetshiwe bonke babasolo eziyavela izinto abanye bathatha imali and uboshwe ngeensimbi ngendlela ethusayo. Sesimax for goodness sake. Mina ngithi amasela awatreatwa ngendlela efana. Yini yena kubukiswa ngaye ngalendlela? Oh agrees babefika belala emzini yabo. Ama against lento yokuthi umuntu omnyama fanele enziwe isigebengu esidlulele bekhona abanye. Akho umuntu omnyama wakwathatha izwe lonke liphuca abantu. So kukhonto engasoze yalunga. Kuyimanje la eSouth Africa bukhona ubugebengu obenzekayo. Inqwaba yemali yalahleka ayikhulunywa leyo. Dilwa nje nomuntu oyedwa 360 million waphinde waphucwa kwanikwa abanye 1.9 billion ithuli eyalapha. Hayi come on. akumusa ukukhethwa iphele emasini abatrithwe ngendlela efanayo abantu abamasela